Imagine a distant future where your most ambitious ideas can be made real. Yeah, we know what you're thinking. Not possible, right? Well, think again. With the right partner, one that's smart, insanely smart. Bill Hewlett and David Packard smart. A partner like HP 3D printing and digital manufacturing, it's not only possible, it's possible right now. Not tomorrow, or in a month, or even a year. Now. You want to reduce waste and carbon emissions and produce more high-quality outputs? I mean, who doesn't? It's possible. Adapt to the unexpected at the speed of thought? You guessed it, it's possible. And make warehousing unthinkably more efficient by manufacturing customized parts on demand? No way that's possible, right? Sorry, skeptics. It's possible too. The future of manufacturing is now. Right now. And together, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Let's get to work. HP 3D printing and digital manufacturing. Let's manufacture possibilities.